present. You have to get the opinion of the members. Yeah, you have to get the opinion of the members. That's your members. Yeah.
Here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all. Because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the President. And that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong po ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? O kaya na, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving. Oh, may prati-pratinelo pa. Saan po ka nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Paglabing 7 taon ko na po ito.
Alam nyo, Madam Stella, I was already here when the Vice President was Noli Castro. When the Vice President was Kinay. When Vice President...
But you were also here in the last hearing. No motion was introduced.
Yun na nga. Kasi, question na kagad eh. Walang man lang...
We can read the records. We did not make the
Sana yung motion siya ngayon.
That is the manifestation of the national and it should be answered by the members. Motion, then after that, calculate down the motion. Hindi ba ka nasagot eh? We will let you just calculate that to speak. And then move it to the motion. Sagutin muna. Sagutin muna yung or move a motion.
The rulings of the chair form part of the procedure. So you have to answer the issue.
Sagutin muna.
Yes.
Then saka mag-move.
Rulings of the chair form part of the rules because it will set a procedure. So if we will set a procedure now that we are discarding traditional courtesy, parliamentary courtesy. Goodbye, parliamentary courtesy. Wala na tayong parliamentary courtesy. Next.
Dapat may first answer your query or your manifestation. Then after that,
Chairman na tinatanong ko, pera naman sa pero sasagot. The question is addressed to the chair. Why would the members answer that?
so we don't have the authority to speak.
Kalokohan naman yung pinagsasabi.
Why the chairman only speak? Di ba kami pwede salita? We are also member, we just the same. Dati alam mo yun. Alam mo yun. Can the vice chair cannot answer your query if he has to answer? Pwede.
Pinag-uusapan natin ang chairman ang sasagot.
No. It is not only the chairman.
Magsasalita ng ganyan.
Well, Pacman, feeling ng salita na kayo. Kaya naman ito mag-board. Pwede magsalita yung iba. Hindi pwede yung chairman lang. Diba? Pwede mo yung dati. Sa parliamentary procedure in the House, that the members cannot speak. Pwede. Okay. Ano yung chairman ng House?
The hearing is resumed.